online or pwede nyo rin kami i-tweet at JamOnLife33. But don't forget to use the hashtag JamOnLife sa lahat na inyong mga posts sa social media accounts ninyo. And also, you can check out the playlist of Jam sa YouTube by searching Life Network's YouTube channel, and you will see there the playlist of Jam. Lahat ng mga moments natin dito sa ating Jam Tambayan ay nandoon. Please don't forget to share it to your friends as well. And I want to take this chance to promote my own social media accounts. It's facebook.com/TheOneOneOfficial, our Twitter account @TheOneOne_band, and our Instagram account @TheOneOneOfficial. Special thanks to Mosimo and Goose Gym for everything. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, Jam would like to thank CSM Publishing for your continued support sa show po na ito. And of course, sa lahat ng mga samkatang minamahal ko na walang sawa tumututok sa atin week after week. Thank you guys so much. So, yeah, let's do this. Here's a classic Christian song called Above All. So Princess, thank you very much once again. Thank you, Princess Rouge. Thank you guys very much for joining us. And thank you, Jamcatas, for hanging out with us tonight. I'm your resident Jamcata, super good and great DJ Carl. And this has been your What's Up Musical Entertainment Show that is brimming with so much positivity. We want to see you next week. This is our show. Thank you once again, Princess. Positive music, positive you. This is yeah. See you guys next week. Thank you very much. I enjoyed that.
Boss muna and enjoy the day kasama ang mga programang magbibigay saya at dagdag kaalaman sa araw mo. Level up your life with Smart Finance Hits sa Feasibilities. Adventure awaits, travel and explore sa I Love Pinas. Know the stories behind the music with John G. Marcelo sa This Is My Story, This Is My Song. Tikman ang kakaibang sarap ng Pilipinas sa Sarap Pinoy. Stay healthy, naturally and holistically with The Healthy Life. Good vibes all the way sa Jam. Positive music, positive news. Celebrate culture, food, and world class. #Pinoy. Glow inside and out with Organic TV. Get inspired with extraordinary stories from ordinary people mula sa Blessed Pilipinas. Step into the quiet space to praise and be filled with the spirit of worship. To solemn sessions. Kaya tara, sabay-sabay natin sulitin ang bawat kwento, kanta at adventure dito sa Live TV.
Love is... Love is...
Love is... Love? Gawa-gawa lang yan?
Usa pa ba yan? Oo naman. May kilala akong nagbibigay ng pagmamahal na hindi napapagod.
Pagmamahal na hindi nagkukulang.
At pagmamahal na hindi nagbabago. Parang si Lord. Si Lord? Oo, si Lord.
Dahil minahal niya tayo, natuto rin tayong magmahal.
Because God is love.
Happy Last Month mula sa Live TV.
Ngayon maging sa Live TV. Walang yan sa Live TV. Up next, Shuffle on Live TV.
Susunod na programa ay Rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para para sa mga batang manonood.